Damn, man, I can't hit a shot. What are they setting up? Let's try up here. Let's see. Let's go for you. What about bitch? Fuck you. I only have 5 more bullets. Hopefully I can go for a suey. Can't even hit a scope shot. Ow. Let's find somebody more easier. Hit that shot over that cliff. Pretty well. I failed at that. Let's try going back to the cliff. Try hitting a shot there again. If there's people. If not, then, well, that's where I can try hitting that one for a suey. If my ammo runs out. And fail. Oh, almost had you. Lucky, man. 2 more shots. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna just go for it. Wait, did I hit him? Did I hit him? What? I didn't see. God damn. Let's try hitting him. Fail. Whatever. It's always next time. Ooh. These people back now. So hopefully we can go for a shot. Oh, not yet. Damn, I'm sleeping. I can't hit a shot. Not even a simple 360. It's gonna go on for a good while now. Hopefully we can eventually hit a shot. Until I hit a shot is when this video ends for you guys. I doubt that I can hit him, but we can go for it. Nope. Here, right there. Money. What? Should've just went for a regular no scope. Let's see. Let's try looking for out the prison building main tower where all those douchebag campers are at. This is on bots. Hopefully, eventually I'll try making a video to teach you guys how to set them up. Sorry. So yeah, that's that. Wow. Yeah, I failed. Whatever. Okay, so we got that guy there. I doubt that we can hit him, but we can go for a 10th there. So, let's see. Damn it. My spot, dude. You're gonna come up here, dude. You better hit a trick shot. Nope. Not right there. That's not my moment. You got lucky, you little... Ooh. Nope. Okay, so... I think there's gonna be more people. You know. So, there's that guy, and there's you. 4, okay, yeah, my sensitivity is on the right one. So, no. Whoa, Trevor, you're doing a bad job. Good boy. Where you at? Disgusting pigs. Oh, you all left. No. Who's that? Okay. Milky hits. Oh, the impossible 360 no scope. Oh. Never hit that. Okay, so apparently my mini map, they're probably all at C. So we're gonna end up going for that. This video ends up long. I'm sorry about that. My shot's off today. So yeah. I don't even know if you guys can hear me good enough, but I don't know. My second video. Right there. Hit him. Come on. Damn, man. My screen ends up right in front of him, but like the bullets just Please don't go for him. Damn you. Hey. Good boy. You know never to mess with me. Bullets are raining out again. Okay, hopefully we can hit this. That would have been so clutch and so cool. But I doubt it, so let's find the right guy to do it on. Stay. Good dog. Yum 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 yum. Fuck. I have to go. You back. Okay, yes, I'm back. I finally just, I'm still attempting to hit a trick shot. I haven't hit, god damn it. I haven't hit one yet. You can see. It's kind of off today, so, my aim, but, whatever. YOLO. So, yeah. Let's try going for an easy shot like him. At least. Like, you see my scope ends up on him, but like, it just, the bullets don't connect. What the hell? I'm confused. Oh, no scope. But what? It landed right on you, man. I don't get the logic of this game, man. Here, let's see. Yum, 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 yum. Where'd you go? Oh, I thought you just ran off. Yahoo! Almost had it. Is that somebody? No. That ain't cool. If I actually hit a shot like that. Ugh. Let's try hitting a ladder stall. That'd be so sick if we actually hit a ladder stall. Hold up. One more. Oh, did we hit it? Whoa, wasting mercury. No, we didn't hit it. Oh! Oh, I hit him! I hit him. I'm done.